Hi there, this is our Victor lathe, Taiwanese, really good quality. This one's an older lathe but still in good condition and ticks over nicely. We'll just start with the tail stock end. That lock feels good, turns in and out, feels good on the inside, and that quill lock feels good. The carriage moves nicely, and so does the cross slide, and virtually no movement in that. Compound slide moves nice, and it's got movement in that. It's got the jog button here, coolant. That pump's running, you can just hear it. I haven't put coolant in it. It's got an electrical high and low as well as a high and low there. E-stop, emergency foot brake. We'll start it up and run you through the feeds first. So that's reverse, forward, that's the feed shaft running at the moment. I'll engage that lead screw. So that's the lead screw running, and that's heading away there, and I'll reverse that direction. That's coming towards me now. So that's that lead screw. I'll go on the feed. Oh, these are your different speeds, which are working nicely. So I've got the feeds engaged now. So that's the carriage under feed coming towards me, and the cross slide going away from you, and that all engages nicely. So that feeds out. So we were in plus low 120 RPM. I'll switch that to 60. So that's 60. 350. $700. Move those ranges. And put that in low. And low there. And that should give us 30. 160. No, that was 65 and 320, I think. That'll be 30. I think that's 160. Take that up into high in that range, and we're in positive. So that should be 1800, that one. And now 900. And this one we're in high, negative one. This one is 180. 370. Put that into low. 65. And 30. I got that a bit muddled up, but we got there in the end. 30. There's two ranges in the middle. So final range. Start at the lowest, which is negative, yeah, so that's 100. $210. Put that into high. 600. One to go, which will be 1200. And that's it really. So yeah, good quality Taiwanese machine and all set to go.